congratulations sa second place dito sa men's individual triathlon. Yung ano mo, masasabi mo sa naging karera natin?
Parang it's a really surprise win for me since the last few days nag-race nga po kami, tapos recently we had a problem especially with yung tiredness level, and as well as may iba talaga nagkasakit kami, especially kami yung mag-individual. Kaya nga hindi na napunta sa start na si Raven since may sakit po siya. So talagang it's a challenge just to go into the starting line. So we were hoping na sana we can have a great fight talaga. That's what we're expecting today, na kung hindi man mag-medal, it's to have a really great fight and to put ourselves in a winning position. But I was surprised, especially me during the start, na talagang nahanap ko yung Indonesian guy, na yun yung target ko talaga, nadikitan. Talagang when I saw him, dumikit na ako talaga, tapos hindi ko na binitawan talaga after nung sa swim. Nagkakaroon kami ng counting gap here, paakyat, pero hinabol ko dito sa run and transition. So I was really happy na talagang I got the silver, even though hindi siya gold for today. But it's a really great thing for me na talagang I still got the silver even with all the challenges po.
You were leading in that transition na nakita namin from the bike to run, so safe to say, yung Indonesian opponent natin talagang hinabol ka sa run.
Yes po, bali, my game plan po today was, yun nga po, napag-usapan namin yun na since Fer is not that really strong swimmer. So my job po today was to stick in the front, tapos i-disrupt yung palitan sa harap, so it could para mag-slow down po yung first half and hopefully mag-catch up pa si Fer. So what I did today was to do the bare minimum para sa back, and I was like pretending na tumutulog, tapos sinisigawan ko pa yung dalawa kasi alam kong hindi sila strong runner. So sinisigawan ko talaga sila para mag-work sa bike, para malasmag po yung legs nila. So actually it worked naman to, tapos nakita ko si Fer was chasing them down. Talagang super ganda ng run ni Fer. So I think it was a really great day for us.
Noong 2019, 2021 tama, silver. Tapos 2023 bronze. May panginayang ba na parang mailap talaga yung gold dito sa men's individual?
I think po talaga yun yung hindi ko pa mag-grasp talaga. But for now po, I think I know where my weaknesses are na talaga. Since dati parang in denial pa ako, since it was not that clear because of the different type of field na nilalaroan ko. But right now na it's become super clear na talaga I need to work on my bike, especially the off-the-bike run. Since I think if I can improve on that, since I know na kaya ko naman mag-catch up to sim nila, and I think I'll have a better chance. Since I think right now, it's one of the closest finish I've been sa first compared to the last few ones. Talagang sobrang layo ng iwan. So I think there's a really good chance for the next few years na talagang mag-catch up with them.
Thank you, Kim.